Hey, are you looking for AI tools that are better than ChatGPT? Well, you're in luck, because in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 AI tools that are better than ChatGPT. Let's get into it.
This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on.
Okay, guys, I'm at the first AI tool, and the name of this website is Viral Views. So discover what's new and trending. AI-powered daily content on your industry across all social media and more. You can just click right here to get started for free. So guys, this is your own personal researcher. We keep a close eye on what's up. Millions of data points across the internet are analyzed through our AI engine to bring you the latest news. Supercharge your engagement. Social media isn't rocket science, but it's close. We equip you with the best market intelligence to grow your audience and maximize your reach. Your brand is unique. That's why we work with you directly to get the exact type of content you need. Unlimited changes, no extra fees. So here are the popular feeds. They have football, AI, Web3, tech, and business. Then you can add your own. And like I said earlier, it's free to start, but they do have a starter package and a pro package where you'll get a lot more features if you sign up. All right, now let me go to the second AI tool. Okay, guys, I'm at the second AI tool. Name of this is Paper Cup. So you just type in Paper Cup and it'll pop up. Now, this is an AI-powered doubling. Now, you probably wonder, what is doubling? Doubling is when you can create one video and then make multiple videos available in different languages. So discover fast and more affordable automated doubling and go global with your existing video content. And as you can see right here, it says pick a language. You got English, Spanish, Portuguese, and Italian. Now they do have a video you can check out. Now it says localize videos beyond subtitling. Our award-winning AI system finally makes doubling a scalable translation option. Our synthetic voices sound genuinely human and enable faster turnaround at a fraction of the cost of traditional doubling. And our team translators check every word. So guys, if you want to do like videos without you being in the video, faceless videos, you can use this AI tool for that. But basically what you're going to do, guys, is submit your existing video content for translation and voiceover. Then AI automatically translate, and creates human sounding voiceover. Our team of QAs verify the quality and make any necessary adjustments. You received a dub version of your video ready to use in other markets. So guys, this is going to do everything for you. You don't have to do anything. You just submit your video right here and it does everything for you. So guys, it suits any industry. So it's good for content creators, media companies, industry, and e-learning. Okay guys, so to get to this website again, go to papercup.com or just put Papercup in Google and it'll pop up. Now let me go to the third and final AI tool. Okay guys, I'm at the third and final AI tool. Name of this is Tom. So this AI tool generates storytelling for you. Collaborative AI partner right at your fingertips. Type in a prompt and watch Tom generate entire narratives from scratch or create additional content pages within seconds. And here's an example right here. They're just showing you. And see how things just pop up? It's real quick too, guys. So build a powerful story with any type of content. Your narrative deserves more than text and images. Easily share a prototype, add 3D renderings, trim a video, or embed live content from the web to make your point more compelling. As you can see there, very compelling, guys. Frictionless creation meets magic design. So focus on your idea and Tom will take care of the rest. Drag and drop creations, responsive pages, and one-click themes mean you don't waste time aligning content or applying brand colors. So it's going to do all that for you guys. Live and interact content from the web. So embed anything from the web in one place. Live integrations with your favorite tools. So as you can see here, here's an example right here. How they just integrate tools from the web. So they also have video narration that brings your story to life. As you can see there, that's the narration right there. Easy sharing from any screen. So share a link to your Tom with just one click, made to work wherever you work. So wherever you work, guys, it's going to work for you. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you click away, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, drop a comment down below if you have any questions about these AI tools, and please share this everywhere. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.